So the Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has once again made a demand to strengthen the mental health care ecosystem in the schools. So there are earlier demands of increasing the strength of the counselors. This now what we are realized is that there need to be amendments in the scheme which implements the counseling scheme, and there are three demands which we have a recommendation in fact which we have made. One is to increase relax the experience which is required, because Goa doesn't have enough mental health professionals who apply and then get recruited. Second thing what we have realized that more degrees, more counseling degrees can be added so that more people can apply and get recruited into the scheme. Our third demand was to Secretary of Education, to the colleges that are offering counseling programs. So there need to be change in the syllabus, to include contemporary issues that are with regards to children and adolescents. So with these three demands, we hope that the quality of the counseling services and the mental health care services in school will be strengthened.